Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bourbon Recipe Book is probably one of the most comprehensive guides to crafting delicious bourbon-based cocktails, offering a wide variety of recipes ranging from classic to innovative, and providing detailed instructions and beautiful photography to inspire and guide you through the process of creating your own signature bourbon drinks, whether you're a seasoned mixologist or a curious beginner. Number 5. Big Book Bourbon Cocktails. Welcome to the world of bourbon cocktails. This book is your guide to 100 classic and innovative recipes. Get ready to explore the rich history and exciting possibilities of bourbon. Discover the elegance of traditional bourbon cocktails. It features recipes passed down through generations, each one a testament to the enduring appeal of bourbon. Let's start mixing. Beyond the classics, it offers a collection of inventive and modern cocktails. These recipes showcase the versatility of bourbon, allowing you to experiment with flavors and create your signature drink. Prepare to be tempted by a diverse range of bourbon-based delights. From refreshing summer sippers to cozy winter warmers, it has something for every taste and occasion. Let your taste buds guide you. With this book, crafting the perfect bourbon cocktail is easier than ever. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips to ensure every drink is a masterpiece. Cheers to that. Gather your ingredients and let's begin our bourbon journey. This book is your passport to a world of flavor and sophistication. Enjoy responsibly. What we like. It boasts a wide variety of recipes, both classic and inventive. If you are looking for a comprehensive collection to expand your bourbon cocktail repertoire, this is the one for you. Its diverse range ensures there's something for every palate and skill level. What people say. The recipes are organized into different flavor profiles and there's a section that talks about what tools may be helpful when making the drinks. After a friend mixed some drinks for us out of this book, I had to have my own copy. We drink a fair amount of bourbon, so this is super fun to find new, easy and tasty ways to enjoy it. This big book is very entertaining to read, beginning with the introduction to each cocktail and then followed with clear and concise recipes. Over the years I've amassed dozens of books on the art and craft of mixing cocktails and consider myself well read on the subject, and with that background I rate the Big Book of Bourbon Cocktails as one of the best in my collection and one where 99% of the recipes appeal to me. Number 4. Art of Mixology, Bourbon and Whiskey. Welcome to the world of bourbon and whiskey cocktails. This guide will take you through classic and modern recipes, perfect for any whiskey lover. Let's start with the timeless classics. These recipes have stood the test of time for a reason, they're simply delicious and easy to master. Now, let's explore some modern interpretations. It shows how these classic drinks can be elevated with a few creative additions. Mastering the art of mixology involves more than just recipes. It's about understanding techniques like shaking, stirring, and muddling to achieve the perfect balance. Discover the essential ingredients and tools you'll need to create these amazing cocktails at home. Everything you need for a successful mixology experience. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to experiment. Let your creativity flow and craft your own unique whiskey cocktails. What we like. This book is a must-have for both seasoned bartenders and enthusiastic amateurs. If you appreciate a blend of traditional and contemporary cocktail recipes, this guide will be your trusted companion. It provides expert insights to elevate your mixology skills. What people say. It's nice quality and includes recipes, pictures, and very interesting history about bourbon. Included recipes cover all of the standard drinks you would want to make as well as some fresh ideas. Each recipe comes with a photo of what the finished product should look like and a picture of the type of glass used to typically serve that drink. Looks beautiful on the coffee table and is definitely a book that makes you want to pick it up. Number 3. Whiskey Cocktails Recipe Book. Get ready to explore a world of flavor with our curated collection. It's more than just recipes, it's a journey through classic and modern whiskey drinks. This book offers an incredible variety of whiskey cocktails. You'll find something to suit every taste and occasion. Rediscover the timeless elegance of classic whiskey cocktails. Learn the techniques and secrets behind these beloved drinks. It also features exciting modern twists on traditional recipes. Prepare to be amazed by innovative flavor combinations. With this book, you'll become a true whiskey cocktail expert. Impress your friends and family with your newfound skills. Whether it's a casual get-together or a sophisticated party, it has the perfect drink for you. Find inspiration for every celebration. What we like. It offers a carefully selected array of recipes, spanning various styles and eras. If you enjoy exploring a diverse range of bourbon cocktails, from familiar favorites to exciting new creations, this curated collection is perfect for you. Its well-organized format makes finding your next drink a breeze. What people say. Good recipes, explained well with great pictures to show the drink and what it should look like. We have made several recipes since getting this book, and there are a number of recipes we plan on trying. Presentation and everything was great. Great recipes, easy instructions and awesome pictures. Number 2. Bourbon Boxed Set. This exquisite set takes you on a journey through time, exploring the rich heritage of Kentucky bourbon. It's a captivating blend of history and craftsmanship. This beautifully boxed collection is perfect for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Each piece is carefully curated to tell a unique story. Inside, you'll find rare books filled with fascinating details and intriguing ephemera that bring the past to life. It's a treasure trove of bourbon history. The elegant box itself is a work of art, making it a stunning addition to any collection. It's the perfect gift for the bourbon lover in your life. It's an immersive experience that transports you to the heart of Kentucky's bourbon country. Discover the stories, the people, and the passion behind this iconic spirit. This set offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of Kentucky's bourbon legacy. It's a timeless keepsake you'll cherish for years to come. What we like. It's more than just a book, it's an immersive experience. If you're a bourbon enthusiast with an interest in its history and origins, this boxed set is a unique and engaging choice. It offers a captivating journey into the heart of Kentucky whiskey. What people say. Absolutely beautiful presentation, easy to read and understand and filled with so much information and facts about bourbon. This book set is like an encyclopedia of bourbon with maps, illustrations, and images. It comes in a decorative box so when you're not sipping and reading, it looks sharp on the coffee table. This is one of the best books on the history of bourbon and its phenomenal recovery. It presents a through history of bourbon and is easy to follow and understand. Number 1. Suck UK Wine Journal. It's more than just a journal, it's a personal archive for your favorite drinks. Perfect for tracking your tasting notes and creating lasting memories. Learn and grow your palate with guided tips and templates. Whether you're a connoisseur or a novice, it's designed to help you explore the world of drinks. It includes space for personal notes, photos, and ratings. Document your journey through the world of wine, beer, and spirits. Looking for a unique present for the wine, whiskey, or beer lover in your life? This makes a thoughtful and memorable gift for any occasion. Take it with you everywhere. Use it to track your drinks at home, at the bar, or even on your travels. It's the ultimate companion for any drink enthusiast. This journal is made to last, with a stunning cloth cover and recycled pages. It's a beautiful and sustainable way to record your drinking adventures. What we like. It's a unique combination of recipe book and interactive journal. If you like to track your tasting notes and personalize your drinking experience, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want to document their bourbon journey and create lasting memories. What people say. It is a very complete notebook to create memories of your most special wines in great moments. The information you can add is very complete and even has spaces to put photographs. The first pages have very good information about aromas, colors, glasses, countries. Very complete. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.